Hi everybody, this is supplementary uh, tutorial to my marshmallow bulky hat, cable hat, um, where you can find, which the tutorial you can find on my blog. Please see the info box. I've got so many questions about, uh, because that hat has a cable 10 twists. So you have to twist uh, 10 stitches, and people are writing that it's a little bit hard and they cannot make that twist. So I was trying to explain how to do. It depends, of course, what kind of knitter you are. I'm not that tight knitter, so I didn't have problems at all, and I actually was surprised that people might have such problem, but there are many people who had it. So I decided to make this tutorial to show how you can make your cable more softer, and this hint will give you a possibility to easily twist cables. So it doesn't matter uh, how you knit cables. I mean, whether you are knitting in the round or just back and forward, back and forth. So you have to know that all tips that I'm going to give you, you're going to do in the round before the cabling, So now I'm in the purl round. So this is the last this is, in my case, this is the last row before the cabling. So what I'm doing, I'm going to have a cable, in this case, cable for back. So it means that I'm going to twist these 4 stitches and these 4 stitches. These first 4 stitches, I'm talking now only about cable stitches now, we're not looking about other stitches, I'm not going to touch. So that's why I'm going to work only with these 8 stitches. So if I turn, you can even place markers for those one who doesn't understand. So I turn, and I understand that I'm going to work with these 8 stitches in the next round, in the cabling round. So I'm going simply start with my pattern. Yeah. Just a second. I simply didn't need the last stitch. So this is just my pattern. You just don't care about it. And the next one, it's 8 stitches that I'm going to work with. So as you see, it's a purl stitches in my case, but it might, if you're working in the round, it will be knit stitches. So I purl 2, then I make yarn over. I purl 2 again and make yarn over. I purl 2. So I add yarn over every 2 stitch and purl 2. I do not make yarn over after the last, after the 7th and 8th stitch. So in my pattern, you have cable 10 back or cable front back. So it means you are making purl 2, yarn over, purl 2, yarn over, purl 2, yarn over, purl 2, yarn over, purl 2. Yes. And now I just simply make that 4 stitches that from the cable as well that I'm not working with. Just purl, and this is the pattern. So now what I'm going to do in the cabling round. In the cabling round, I'm going simply slip those yarn over, and it will give me more space to twist. So let's look. So I need 4. This is just 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I place 4 stitches plus yarn over, of course, back. Yeah, so you place 4 stitches back. Then you need next 4 stitches. You need 2, then you simply slip this yarn over, and then you need 2 more. Then you're going to need 4 stitches from the extra needle. So you need 2. You need 2, and then you slip this yarn over, and you are going to need again here 2, and slip those yarn over. So that's all. And then you just finish the row around, or your row. You will see that this cable will be wider than this one in the beginning. I want to show you one more time. So now I worked 2 rounds, so I simply, till the next cable twist, I work. Okay, so it's just a purl round. I simply knit and purl. Then 1 more. Here I need 12 because it's my cable. It's my cable. And here I need again. So this round or row is the last row before cabling, in my case, but you need according your pattern. So in this case, I just turn back and I'm going to work with first 8 stitches. I don't count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 stitches. I'm working with these 8 stitches because I'm going to make the twist using these 8 stitches. So place marker if you need them, if you need it. Then I just turn, and what I'm going to do, it's actually same. So I purl 4 stitches, first 4 stitches, and now I'm going to make what I did before, purl 2, yarn over, purl 2, yarn over, purl 2, yarn over, and purl 2. Then I just finish here my headband, and here I'm going to have cable for front. So I slip 4 stitches here and keep them in front. by the way, can slip already this yarn over. So I need next 4 stitches. 1, 2, I slip this yarn over, 3, 4, and then I need 4 stitches from the extra needle. Knit 2, slip this yarn over, and knit 2. And then I finish with knit 4, knit 4, and then I finish this border for my headband. That's it. And now it's really clearly visible that this cable is wider than this one. But as I said previously, I don't have problems with like tightness. I can twist 10 stitches. I think I can twist even 20 stitches if I need. So that's how it works. I hope this video is helpful, and I've got so many questions about this. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and please share your marshmallow cable bulky hat with me. Thank you so much. Bye.